I'm throwing a big Greek dinner party and I want my table to look as delicious as my food. So today I'm going to show you how to make themed napkins. Let's get started. DIY by Jane, brought to you by KaiScissors.com for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting. You'll need a sewing and embroidery machine, Kai 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissors, Kai 5000 series scissors, and a Kai rotary cutter, all available at KaiScissors.com, and coordinating cotton fabric. To start, prep the fabric by washing, drying, and ironing it. Next, I want each napkin to be a 20-inch by 20-inch square, so I'll cut out 2 squares for each napkin using my Kai rotary cutter. For my party, I'm going to embroider the names of my guests and a Greek key image on every napkin. Now, what's so special about these is they'll not only serve as napkins, but they'll also be nameplate settings and personalized take-home favors. I'm going to use my Kai 5.5-inch double curved sharp tip embroidery scissors to snip off the loose threads. They're great for getting over the embroidery hoop. All right, now after all the names are embroidered, now we got to sew the 2 pieces together. Lay right sides together, sewing 3 sides. Next, turn the material inside out and turn the open edges in and press. Then give it a narrow edge top stitch all the way around to finish your napkins. And there you have it, personalized napkins for every guest at your party. What a great way to make your table extra special. And since they're taking them home as a keepsake, you don't even have to do laundry.